Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Look at what we found. So we found somebody who has a huge collection of cars, and apparently we got it running already. So we have to get these cars, a couple of them up and running. All right, easy, hold on. I did all the work for you. I did all the work for you. Wow, that sounds nice. So our mission today, we were asked to get this El Camino here. It's a 1970, I think, 1971 El Camino running. It's got a 396 big block in it with a Demon carb. And when we first got here, you know, you crank it over and it just cranks. But with the mechanical fuel pumps that are in these engines, after sitting a while, the fuel runs back down the line and it takes a minute. So you have to crank it over a few times. So yesterday when we were here, cranked it over 2 or 3 times, didn't start. This morning we get here and we crank it over about once or twice and it fired pretty much right away. So, and it ran good. I drove it around the block. A little bit clunky in terms of steering, a lot of play on the steering, and brakes were super stiff, but I mean, it's got a ton of power. It's got a badge on it that says it has 375 horsepower. I don't know if it's the big 396 or not, but I'll give you a little tour of it here. So whole plain Jane, you know, valve covers. It's got some headers on it. No air conditioning, which is fine. The battery cabling and everything looks a little weird and rough. Fuel filter looks pretty shabby and old. Might need to change that out. But we got an Excel distributor back there. I mean, it's like a race car. I mean, it's got a lot of power. Wheels are in pretty good shape. A little bit of weight reduction down here in the quarters. When I hit the gas coming out of the parking lot here, it almost spun out on me. Like, it didn't screech, but it definitely slid around. I mean, the back of this thing is super light, right? It's like a truck and it's got a ton of power. So inside, you know, kind of dirty black interior, bench seat. I mean, it's not the cleanest car in the world. It functions. The temperature gauge never came up to temperature. I don't know why, but didn't investigate that. Voltage worked. There's no oil pressure gauge, so we probably want to recommend putting in an oil pressure gauge in here just so you can keep track of the oil pressure. Pretty cool find. I mean, this is amazing. This guy, he has all sorts of stuff. He has American muscle like this. He's got Italian cars like a Ferrari in the garage. He's got a DeLorean. He's got a Prowler with a matching trailer. It's pretty cool. Anyways, I'm not going to give away all the secrets here because I think we're going to do a reveal of each of these cars over the next month or so. So be sure to like and subscribe to keep in tune with this channel because this is just it just got really exciting. The next car we're going to try to get working, he's got an old Caddy here. I'm not sure what year it is. I think it's probably a early 70s, mid 70s Caddy, and it's fully painted and decked out. He's got another Ford Thunderbird here with wings and a rocket ship taillights. It's pretty sick. So anyways, thanks for watching, everybody. It looks like we got the first car up and running, and we'll keep you posted as we make more progress here on the lot.
Make sure it all works properly. Like, try make. Yeah.
So it sounded fine. I didn't hear any knocks or pings or no misfires, no rumbling. I mean, it sounded good.
You guys might want to move your stuff.
You're not going to drive it.